Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today I want to talk about the project called Lamon. It's not lemon, it's called Lamon. Why? I have no idea why. So basically, of course, I had a look at it already. It's a miner, a gamified version of a miner, and of course I'm gonna do a scam check. Yeah, and I'm gonna tell you if I think that this is worth an investment. Okay. First of all, you can deposit your USDT, and they say you get a daily profit of 2.76%. And I have to say, you will find a couple of videos about miners on my channel, because last year, 2022, basically at some point, miners came out, I would say almost on a daily basis. And then people switched to other kind of projects, but the variety of miners was crazy at some point, and yeah, I will I will tell you my opinion about it a little bit later. So basically, let me show you. Here you buy seedlings, then you grow lamons, yeah, not lemons, and then you can sell the lamons and get back your USDT. That's the basic idea of it. So the contract has been audited, which is good, and of course, guys, we're gonna do a scam check. They have an affiliate program also, as you can see here, and we can even check the contract. So first of all, guys, I have to tell you, the team has not been KYC'd, because usually we are always looking for this. So this is I would say a red flag, because basically you have absolutely no idea who will receive your money or who is behind this project. Okay, so if they disappear, you don't know who disappears and where they are and who they are. So but anyway, let me show you first of all the white paper. I mean, it's some basic version. As you can see here they write 2.77%, on the website 2.76. Maybe they don't know, or it's something in between. So let me explain how it works. Basically, you can buy a tree for 10 USDT, for 50 USDT they're medium trees, and for 100 USDT there are large trees. Yeah. And you get your rewards. You can see here, first you plant the field with 100 seedlings. One seedling is 10 USDT. Then the seedlings are replaced with medium-sized trees every 50 USDT. After that, the trees are replaced with large trees every 100 USDT. Yeah. And as a result, the game assumes the development of its plantation up to 16,000 USDT. So basically, you plant the trees, you get lemons, and then you can basically exchange the lemons against USDT. So there's also a referral program, of course, because I will show you why. And that's what the app looks like. Pretty basic, nothing special about this, I would say. And here I have to say, a big plus point is they really show you the contract address. If you go down here, you can see that this is the contract address. You can see here $40,473 are invested right now. I have to say this is a plus point, because there are some projects that say, okay, $5 million are invested, but basically you have no idea because they don't show the contract address. And of course their contract has not been audited. At least they show the contract address, and the contract has also been audited. Maybe we see a new, let's say more a switch now, because for some, I would say the last weeks or months, a lot of projects came out that say, okay, I will give you 10% daily for 5 days and 5% daily for, 7 days, and all of this stuff. Basically, all of these are just Ponzi schemes. They all need new users coming in to pay the existing users, and yeah, that's it. Doesn't matter how they call it and whatever, it's all the same, basically. Here, okay, we can see the transactions that are going on here, you can see. And yeah, let me show you the audit, guys. Let me show you the audit. So the stamp, yeah, I know the stamp. So the stamp did the audit. Lamon has been reviewed by the stamp, and no backdoors were found. I will also tell you would I invest in it or not, so stick with me. Lamon is a ROI app that simulates a minigame where users need to deposit an amount USDT, grow lemon, and sell them to get back USDT. The protocol also has fertilizer that can be reinvested to increment the initial deposit amount, position amount. Additionally, users can use the lemon to participate in fairies, where a random winner will be selected through a random algorithm. So, but now the important point, guys. This is still an ROI debt that relies on funds invested to pay the existing users. If the contract reaches zero, investors will not be paid out. So basically, what I can tell you from my experience, first of all, you see the ROI, it starts at 2.76%. And last year I told you there were so many miners out there, yeah? And even if they started with as you see here, it starts with 2.76%. After a couple of weeks or even days, you know, this decreases, and you know, it could happen that, let's say, after 1 week you don't get 2.76% daily, you just get 0.005% daily, and you will never ever see your initial investment. Yeah, it's basically in the contract, and the daily percentage is so low that you will never see it again. And this happened to so many miners, you know. I mean, I have a lot of experience in the crypto field, and especially in the last year, 2022, there was, I would say, for some time, really, I would say on a daily basis, miners came out basically all the same principle. They just changed the name. Doesn't matter if it's called the, let's say, the watermelon miner, or the, I don't know, the pizza miner, or it doesn't matter, whatever. Yeah, all the same principle, and all of them rely on new users coming in. That's why they usually have some kind of affiliate program, bring new users, and you get some kind of reward, because once new users stop coming in, the whole system collapses. It's like a typical Ponzi scheme. So they use the funds deposited from the new users to pay the existing users. Once it stops, everything collapses. So yeah, if you ask me about my opinion, would I invest in it? For sure not. You know, if you know me, then you know that I prefer trading. You know, I do technical analysis, and based on this, I make my decisions when to trade and what to trade. Yeah. So would I recommend this to a friend? No, I would not. But it's up to you. You know, I'm just here to show those projects. Always do your own research before you invest your own money. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you